So in this video, we'll be talking about the automatic plate adjustment mechanism in myCNC that allows you to look for the edges of your working material and then to automatically rotate the program depending on how much the working material plate is itself rotated. This is done by using a sensor, which can be a capacitive, an inductive, or perhaps a laser sensor. And it is done automatically using a PLC within the myCNC software. So here, what we expect to happen is we have some sort of a rectangular plate, like this, that is a little bit offset and rotated, so we have some sort of a rotation to easily visualize the rotation of the program afterwards. And what we expect to happen is for this sensor to first move over to the working material plate, and then to look for the two edges. So in our case, it will be looking for this bottom edge right here that may be rotated to look slightly like this, and then another edge, the left one right here, which will be rotated like this on a slant. So here we'll simply start our program and see what it does. So here we can see that the program is starting. We have our sensor moving upwards, and now we expect it to start moving down to look for the first point on this edge. It's found it. It moves back, looks for the second point on this edge that is rotated, and now it's beginning to move leftwards towards the left edge. It has found one point there, another point here, and now we have the plate adjustment procedure and the program is automatically rotated. After which we can see that the program simply starts as any normal program would, and it simply goes to cut the material according to the plate rotation. And there you go. That's the automatic plate adjustment mechanism from myCNC. As always, thank you for watching.